Hi, were you looking for a perfect iPhone application to create QR code? Then this video is just for you. After watching this video, you will not only be able to create multiple types of QR code, but also with different content and encrypt the QR code and export the code all from your phone with an application which comes with tons of features, and the best part is you don't need to pay any money to use this application. This application is totally free. So let's get started by downloading the application that we are going to use to generate QR code. First thing first, let's go to our App Store and search for an application called Qrafter. So this is a free application that we will be using. So this is the application that I'm showing in this video. So just download the application by tapping on here install, and then once downloaded, since I have already installed this application on my phone, I'll just tap on the open, and then it will look something like this. So this is the initial screen that you will see after opening the application, and as you can see there are tons of features, and then it looks really simple. So at the bottom of this application you can see different menus like scan, create, history, settings, and help section over there. So if you want to change the setting or the color of this application, you can do it through here. This is for scanning the QR code, and then you can also scan QR code from your phone's gallery by just switching on it from here. Next, I'll directly jump to creating QR code. So let's just tap on the create, and there are tons of options available here. If you scroll down, not just the QR code, but you can also create barcode, or not just single type of barcode, but every type of barcode from this application. And then I'll be talking about the QR code here. So if you look over the different type of contents that you can put in your QR code, starting from URL, location, contact card, event, and then a lot. Likewise, I think this is the most coolest thing that you would like to do, possibly adding an URL in this QR code. So let me just go over here and type in my website link, and then once you are done, just tap on preview content, and so you can just try different options here. If you tap on this, it will just open the URL in your browser. Otherwise, you can just tap on, if everything looks okay, you can just tap on create, and then it will instantly create a QR code for you. Now if you can also choose different type of QR code depending upon your need. And then next, at the bottom, you can change the color for your QR code. And then likewise, if you tap on settings or the gear at the bottom, you can see the label of the correction label. So you can try the different settings over here, and then size of the QR code or the image generated also. And let me go over here on the lock or the key lock button over there. You can just encrypt your QR code too. So once you are done creating your QR code, you can just save it to camera roll, or email, or upload it to your Dropbox account. You can also add your Dropbox account to this application. So let's just save to camera roll, and then you'll just get vibration, and then it's already saved to my camera roll. Next, let me try, you can also add contact card, and then you will see, so this is the free version of this application. You will see ad like this. So the only difference between paid version and the free version is that in free version you will see pop-up ads like this, but it's totally fine because I'm getting an application that can do a lot of things for me. And then this ads, I can just close it like that. Or if you are just irritated, you can just what you can do is you can just turn off the network, and the app will work fine. So let me create a QR code with my contact, and then this is one of my dummy contact that I have added. It has been already created, so I'll just save it to camera roll. So once I finish creating a few QR code, I'll show you how it works or no. So next I will try a text messaging app, a text messaging QR code. Let me just try it. And then you can also add the message, default message to the QR code, and then once you are ready, you can just create the QR code like this. Okay, one last, let's try the Wi-Fi network also. Let's go to scan, and then let's try scanning our QR code from this app itself. So let's try this. Let me close the ad, and then it has already detected the code URL over here. Let's try this one, and then this was the Wi-Fi QR code that we just created. So now what I will do is I will be checking the QR codes that we generated from my next phone. So let me just try switching it over. Okay, so these are some of the QR codes that we have generated in the demo. So let me try by opening up one of the QR code that we created, and it has already worked well. Next, let's try this one, and it as you can see over here, we can directly add it to our contacts. Likewise, there's also an option to directly send a text message, as we have made this one. And next, so this was this was a QR code with Wi-Fi settings, and we can just try joining the Wi-Fi network by just tapping the join button. So this is it, how you can do a lot of things with this simple application called Qrafter. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have got any questions or comments, don't forget to leave it in the comment section below. Have a great day.